Hi everyone, today we are gonna solve a question about the waves from one of IB past papers. So the question is about the waves as you see, and we want to find out the amplitude and the wavelength of the wave. So we will go through the definitions. What was the amplitude of the wave? Amplitude was the distance between the peak point. The peak point, as you know, peak point is the top point of the waves, and between the equilibrium line. So here you see that the equilibrium passes through the zero and the peak point is this one. So the distance between the peak and the equilibrium line is 1 centimeters. So the amplitude is 1. We will go with A or B. So C and D are incorrect answers. Now it's time to find out the wavelengths, and you know that wavelengths was the distance between two neighbor peaks. Two neighbor peaks, we have to choose two neighbor peaks as this. But here we see that if we want to choose two neighbor peaks, we do not have numbers due to that points. So here we will choose another technique to determine the wavelengths. You know that for one wavelength, we have to have 4 amplitudes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's start from 0. So let's go 1 amplitude, 2, 3, and 4. As you see, we have here 8. So the wavelength is 8 centimeters. So the correct answer is B.